Sometimes a little more room is all a plant needs to thrive. This is Morganite Vault, where insight shines. Found this beautiful pot and knew it would be perfect for my hibiscus. For this project, I used a decorative pot from Home Depot, Miracle Grow pot mix, and a little extra perlite to help improve drainage. I mixed the pot and soil and perlite together to create a light, well-draining soil mix that my hibiscus will love. I placed the nursery pot inside to measure the planting depth. I filled in around the nursery pot, leaving about 2 inches of space from the top of the container. When I lifted the nursery pot out, it left behind the perfectly sized hole, making it easy to place the hibiscus right into its new home. A little trick like this takes all the guessing work out of repotting. Before moving it into its new pot, I gave my hibiscus a little cleanup by removing some of the old blooms. Next came the exciting part, gently removing the hibiscus from its nursery container and placing it into its new home. I carefully placed the hibiscus into its new container and filled in around the roots with the remaining soil mix. Then I gave it a deep watering using the shower setting on my hose, allowing the soil to settle gently around the roots. Every new plant deserves a good drink of water, so I soak the soil well and finish with a gentle mist over the leaves. After giving my hibiscus a little more room to grow, it didn't take long to see the difference. The first bloom opened just a few days later, and by the next day, even more flowers appeared. From 1 bloom to 3 blooms, and then even more beautiful blossoms. This hibiscus truly flourished in its new home. Sometimes a little more room is all a plant needs to thrive.